Hey everyone, this is Dave Cooper, and today we are at Sava Insurance in Waterford, Connecticut, and I am standing with Diana Buscetto.
Yes.
Diana and I met at our local HBRA, which is our Home Builders and Remodelers Association,
Yes.
and you do a lot of insurance for contractors.
We do.
And
That
home
is,
builders.
yes, that is one of our niches. So here we're a generalist, obviously. We write all different insurance, but my niche is contractors, women-owned businesses, and nonprofits.
Right.
Just something that I love to do, those three areas. Yeah.
Perfect. I love it because we are doing a story called Her Stories in Housing.
Perfect.
And that's why you're on.
Excellent.
So it's awesome. So with the Her Stories in Housing, you have been in the insurance company for how long now?
21 years.
And how long has the insurance company been around?
22. My mother actually bought the company 22 years ago for the gentleman she was working for with her partner at the time. And probably about 6 years ago, she ended up buying her partner out. And my sister and I kind of transitioned in as vice presidents to assist her.
Right. So talk a little bit about your staff here.
Yep.
From looking at it, it looks like this is a female-run operation through and through.
It is, 100%. We have tried through the years to, not that we have anything against men, we have tried to incorporate a couple different men throughout the years. Our dynamic just runs really well. Being a women-run agency, all the employees are women, very supportive of each other. And really get that team concept. So it's just always worked well for us.
Right. I mean, I walked in here this morning and I was just kind of shocked. I was like, look at all these people already working, right? Because it's early. So, I mean, that's just amazing. Tell us a little bit about the ups and downs that either yourself or your mother may have had coming into this industry and being a female in the housing industry.
So much like the construction industry, the insurance industry is a highly male-dominated industry. So especially in the beginning when I first came into this, when my mother first started kind of running it, we were probably one or two of 100 people in the room of just women only. It was just dominated by men. And it's so great to see how it's transitioned over the years because now we go to conferences or we go to events and there are, not just in the insurance industry, but in a lot of the business industries, you see all these women actually out there running the businesses, starting the businesses, and I just think it's awesome.
Well, so with that then,
Yes.
you're seeing all these women starting businesses, running business. What's some advice that you would give to any female looking to get into the insurance business or housing in general?
My biggest thing is to surround yourself with the right people. That is detrimental to being successful. Surrounding yourself with the right partners, the right employees, the right trusted advisors, whether it's your insurance agent, your accountant, your attorney, whatever. And I also think it's important for women to support other women.
Okay.
Just support them in what they're doing, root for them, be at any openings that they're having or whatever. But the biggest thing is, and we've learned it through the years that we've been in business, is surrounding yourself with the right people, because that can ruin your business if you don't take the time to make sure you're really putting the right team in place.
Sure. So have you had some downs in the housing industry or with hiring females or any of those things?
I think the biggest struggle that we've seen with kind of the housing industry going up and down, and I'm sure you're aware of that, all the changes through the years, is a lot of people's perception that insurance and contractors kind of go hand in hand.
Right.
And I don't know if I can say this or not, but like we're out to screw everybody.
That's true.
Contractors, salesmen,
you're
insurance people, whatever. So I think that was our biggest challenge through the years is, when the real estate kind of went belly up and insurance is what it is.
Right.
Well, my house isn't worth this much. How can you charge this much insurance? So that was the biggest challenge we had, is trying to explain to people that, yes, they kind of go hand in hand, but they don't.
Right.
And we're not out to rip people off.
Right,
we're
right.
out to make sure that you're covered correctly.
Yeah, you're right. That is a stigma that the industry's had.
100%.
Contractors have had it in the industry for years and years.
We're right there with you.
Insurance, yeah,
We're right there with
you. So Well, listen, I really appreciate you taking the time.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
We're very happy that you're part of the HBRA and you
Yes.
support the home building industry, and you have so many general contractors. Even looking when I walked in the front door, I could just tell there were general contractors or contractors in
Yes.
general in
Yes.
here. So
Yes.
thank you for sharing her stories and housing with
Thank
us.
you.
Everyone, Sava Insurance, Waterford, Connecticut, Diana Buscetto.
Thanks,
I'm
everybody.
Dave Cooper, and we'll see you next time.